Hello everyone, welcome to solve a nice math Olympiad problem which is x power of 3 over 2 is equal to 3 power of 3 over 2, and here it is we can be written as x power of 3 over 2 and is equal to 3 power of 3 over 2. And now here this x power of 3 over 2 and this plus 3 power of 3 over 2 moved here is can be written as minus 3 power of 3 over 2 and is equal to 0. And now here x power of 1 over 2 and whole the power of 3 and then minus 3 power of 1 over 2 and whole the power of 3 and is equal to 0. And now here in the other step is this 1 over 2 is can be written as square root x and whole the power of 3 and minus this 3 and this 1 over 2 can be written as square and whole the power of 3 and is equal to 0. So here we can solve with the help of a nice algebraic identity which is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, then a square plus ab, then plus b square. And now here we can solve. And now this a is square root x and b is square root 3. So we can be written as this square root x and then minus b is square root 3. And then a square is square root x square and then plus a is square root x and b is square root 3 and then plus b square is square root 3 square. And now here the other step is square root x minus square root 3 and then x plus this square root cancelled out this square and remaining is x plus and this 3x square root 3x and plus this square root cancelled out this square and remaining is this 3 and is equal to 0. And now here square root x then minus square root 3 and is equal to 0. And here it is first equation and the second equation is x plus square root 3x then plus 3 and is equal to 0. And here it is second equation. And now this square root and this square root cancelled out and remaining is x minus 3 is equal to 0. And now here x and is equal to this minus 3 moved here is 3 and here it is the first value of x. And then now this second equation is x plus square root 3x and this plus 3 is moved here, is equal to 3, and now is equal to 0. And so here this square root 3x and is equal to 0, and then this x moved here is minus x, and this 3 is moved here minus 3, and now we can square with both sides. We take square with both sides, and so this square root cancel out this square, and remaining is this 3x and is equal to this minus x and then minus 3, and this minus x then minus 3, and here it is square, and so this minus x minus 3 and minus x minus 3, and now three x is equal to, and here we multiply them, and now x square then plus 3x and then plus 3x and then plus 9. So in the other step is 3x is equal to x square and plus this 3x and this 3x added them and is equal to 6x and plus 9, and now x square plus 6x and this 3x moved here is minus 3x and then plus 9 and is equal to 0. So here in the other step is x square then plus, and this minus plus minus is 6x minus 3x is equal to 3x and then plus 9 and is equal to 0. And so here we use our quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b and then plus minus square root b square minus 4ac then over 2a. And now here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 9. And now here we put these values in this formula. So x is equal to, and minus b is minus 3 and plus minus and then square root b square is 3 square and then minus 4 and a is 1 and b is 9, c is 9 and then over 2 and a is 1. And now here x is equal to minus 3 and then plus minus square root 3 square 3 multiplied 2 times is equal to 9 and then minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 9 is equal to 36 and then over 2 1 ja 2. So in the other step is x is equal to minus 3 then plus minus square root and 36 minus 9 is equal to minus 27 then over 2 and now is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root 27 and this square root minus square root is can be written as times square root minus 1 then over 2. And so here x is equal to minus 3 and plus minus and then square root 27 can be written as 9 multiply 3 and then times square root minus 1 then over 2. And now here x is equal to minus 3 and then plus minus, and this 9 can be written as 3 and square root this 3 and then times this square root minus 1 is can be written as I then over 2. So x is equal to minus 3 and plus minus 3 and square root 3 times I over 2. And now x is equal to 3 and then minus 1 and plus minus I and then square root 3 and then over 2. And now here it is, we find the three values of x. So first of value of x is equal to 3 and second value of x is equal to 3 minus 1 plus I square root 3 then over 2. And the third value of x is here 3 minus 1 and minus I and square root 3 then over 2. And now here it is our three values of x and our final answer. Thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.